Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. Today we'll discuss about create a new Google Workspace account about this topic. Okay, you can see on my screen the add free email you deserve. Create professional email. Try now for free email sponsor, etc. etc. Also ask how do I create a Google Workspace account. You can see the their answer. Register an account and go through the Google Workspace setup wizard. Add other user to your account. Verify domain ownership with Google by adding a TXT record to your DNS records. Set up email by adding MX record and everything. Hey brother, what are you doing? What are you doing? You keyword research? Okay, I don't know. Okay, the ad free mail you deserve everything. Create free guide suite. Add an account for new users. Set up Google Workspace for your organization. Everything. You can see. Hello guys. Try now for free. You can try here for free. There are 5 everything. So mail light US $1 price cheaper tangible user etc. There is the service menu. Okay. Just completion guide or other product by Joe Mail Team Inbox Egypto Mail. Everything. So goodbye. See you in the next.